The job description of legal secretary involves a unique blend of administrative expertise, legal knowledge, and interpersonal skills. A legal secretary plays a key role in a law firm or legal department by providing essential support to lawyers, paralegals, and other legal practitioners. They help keep a legal practice running smoothly by organizing files, preparing documents, and managing communication between lawyers, clients, and the court. Without a proficient legal secretary, a lawyer's ability to perform their duties effectively would be significantly impacted. The responsibilities of a legal secretary typically range from preparing legal documents, such as pleadings, subpoenas, contracts, and correspondence, to filing documents with the court and keeping track of key dates and timelines. They may be called upon to conduct legal research, manage lawyers' schedules, and act as a point of contact for both clients and court officials. The role demands a strong understanding of legal terminology, procedures, and ethics, alongside proficient administrative skills. A legal secretary must be highly organized and able to handle numerous tasks at once. They often act as the linchpin tying together different aspects of a legal practice. Whether it's retrieving files, organizing trial documents, or communicating trial dates to all involved, the legal secretary's role is a perfect blend of administrative expertise and legal knowledge. Primary responsibilities of a legal secretary. A key responsibility within the job description of legal secretary is preparing and filing legal documents accurately and on time. A legal secretary must be proficient at drafting documents from templates or instructions provided by lawyers and paralegals. These documents may range from simple correspondence and reports to more complex legal instruments, such as complaints, motions, and judgments. Accuracy is imperative, as a small oversight, a typo or a missed deadline, can undermine a legal proceeding or harm a client's case. Another primary responsibility is organizing and maintaining files. The legal secretary must keep both physical and digital files up to date and easily accessible, while honoring confidentiality and privilege requirements. The ability to retrieve documents quickly and efficiently when lawyers need them is a key component of their role. Furthermore, a legal secretary must track key dates and filing timelines, adding court dates, submission dates, and other milestones to a calendar and notifying lawyers promptly to avoid missed filing dates. Managing communication is another central aspect of a legal secretary's responsibilities. They frequently serve as the first point of contact for clients, opposing counsel, court clerks, and other stakeholders. A legal secretary must be able to convey messages accurately, forward documents promptly, and respond to inquiries in a professional and courteous manner. Providing information about court dates, filing procedures, and administrative requirements often falls within their purview. Additionally, a legal secretary may be responsible for organizing meetings, depositions, and trial preparation sessions. They will schedule conference calls, book conference rooms, prepare agendas, and arrange for all necessary materials to be available. The ability to handle multiple tasks under pressure, while staying organized and composed, is a key indicator of a proficient legal secretary. Some legal secretaries may also perform legal research under supervision. They might be asked to retrieve cases, statutes, or regulations to aid lawyers in their preparation. Although this is typically a small component of their role, a legal secretary must be proficient at navigating legal databases and identifying relevant information quickly and accurately. Essential skills and qualities for the role. To be a successful legal secretary, a range of skills and qualities are required, both hard skills and interpersonal attributes. Organization is at the core of their responsibilities. A legal secretary must be able to handle numerous documents, timelines, and responsibilities without losing track of any details. Meticulous attention to detail is a must. Small mistakes, a typo in a legal filing or a missed deadline, can have dramatic consequences. Excellent communication skills, both written and oral, are another key trait. A legal secretary frequently corresponds with lawyers, clients, and court officials, and must be able to convey messages accurately, courteously, and efficiently. Furthermore, a strong command of legal terminology, procedures, and documentation is desirable. The ability to produce legal documents quickly and accurately depends on understanding the context and form required. Proficiency in administrative software, word processors, and legal practice management software is also essential. A legal secretary must be able to create, edit, and format documents quickly, track cases and filing dates, and manage schedules. Familiarity with legal databases, e-filing systems, and communication platforms is often expected. Additionally, discretion and professionalism are non-negotiable attributes in this role. A legal secretary frequently handles sensitive and privileged information, client communications, financial documents, or legal strategies, and must treat all such information with the highest degree of confidentiality and discretion. Initiative, adaptability, and problem-solving skills are also valued. The legal practice is a fast-paced environment where priorities can shift quickly and unexpected tasks arise frequently. A proficient legal secretary must be able to adapt to changing conditions and find solutions to problems promptly and effectively. Work environment and challenges. A legal secretary typically works in a law firm, corporate legal department, or government agency. The work environment is predominantly office-based, although the role may sometimes require delivering documents to court or other locations. The legal secretary frequently interacts with lawyers, paralegals, clerks, and clients in person, by phone, and by email. The role can be challenging due to its deadline-oriented nature and the necessity to handle a large volume of tasks accurately and efficiently. The legal secretary must be able to perform under pressure and remain composed in a hectic workplace. There may be days when urgency dominates, with numerous filing dates to meet and last-minute documents to prepare. Additionally, the legal secretary must be flexible with their hours at times, staying late or starting early if a deadline is approaching or if trial preparations require additional effort. Nevertheless, many find the role rewarding, as it provides a unique opportunity to learn about the legal process from the inside and contribute directly to the delivery of legal services. Educational requirements and training. Most legal secretary positions require at least a high school diploma or its equivalent. Some employers prefer candidates who have completed a legal secretary certificate or diploma program, which covers legal terminology, procedures, and administrative practices. An associate degree in legal studies or paralegal studies may be desirable in more complex roles. Training typically occurs on the job under the supervision of an experienced legal secretary or lawyer. Nonetheless, having a background in a legal office or administrative role can be a significant advantage when applying for a legal secretary position. Furthermore, certifications from organizations such as the National Association of Legal Secretaries, NALS, for example, the Accredited Legal Professional, ALP, can enhance credibility and employment prospects. Some legal secretaries pursue continuing education to stay current with legal procedures, technology, and filing practices. An understanding of legal software and court filing systems is increasingly desirable in a modern legal practice. Conclusion. The job description of legal secretary highlights a role that is at once challenging, rewarding, and indispensable in the legal industry. A legal secretary performs a range of responsibilities, from preparing documents and organizing files to communicating with clients and court officials, all of which are crucial to the smooth delivery of legal services. Success in this role depends on a combination of strong organizational skills, discretion, adaptability, and a keen attention to detail. As the legal industry evolves and technology plays a greater role in legal practice, the legal secretary must stay adaptable and proficient in both traditional administrative tasks and specialized legal procedures. The job description of legal secretary underscores a position that is not just about filing papers or typing documents. It's about being a key component of a legal team, helping lawyers resolve disputes, pursue justice, and provide service to their clients.